Hi, good morning dear students. How are you all? Hoping everyone good. In this video I am going to continue the story The Tattered Blanket where I stopped in the previous video. Okay? So hoping everyone understanding it, I am going to read it. So please look into your books very carefully. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold it doesn't leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? A red one. I had a blanket. The one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? So basically in this passage, the mother going to explain about her condition with his son. So basically what she is talking about, so there was a mist in the morning times. It is not good for me. And if I feel any mist, it doesn't leave me for a long time. So because of that I am feeling very bad about my condition. And whenever you go back to Delhi, just tell him to send me a blanket, but that should be in red color. So ask him to send me a red one. And so whenever you go back to Delhi, can you do this for me? Basically I had a blanket, but that blanket also my son brought for me when he was studying in Madras. So but now the blanket completely tattered. So that's why I am asking one more blanket from him. So please, whenever you go back to Delhi, ask him to send me a red blanket. Please do this favor for me. Then immediately Gopi responding with his mother like this. I shall tell him. He nodded. So with accepting all words, he nodded his head and definitely, don't worry mother, I can definitely convey your feeling to your son. So basically there is a conversation happening between mother and son, but mother is not able to identify his son. So that is the problem. Because of that they are talking like that, but both are mother and son. That we have to understand very carefully here. Please don't forget to tell him the mist is not good for me. I think I shall stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. And one more problem she is explaining about her. That is, basically mist is not good for me. Good for me means not good for my health, because I became a old woman. So because of my age, I am not able to, and I can't bear any more this kind of dreadful situations in my life. So please don't forget to inform him. So in that way the mother requested to the Gopi. So and one more thing what she is asking to him, that is, I have been sitting in my armchair for a long time. So because of that I am getting some neck pain also. Please explain about this to my son. So please do this all for me. In that way the mother requested him. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. So then immediately Kamala stopped their conversation and Kamala put her mother on her bed and she came back to veranda, and now she is taking her conversation with her brother. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? I think you did not come to see Amma. Yes or no? Please accept. Tell me the truth. In that way, Kamala raised her questions to Gopi. Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. I will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. Now, Gopi is taking his conversation like this. See, my dear sister, Delhi is too expensive and I have 4 children to look after. And I can't make both ends happy with my salary. So I am earning just 2,500 rupees per month. So with that salary, I can't make you both happy. So, and one more thing I would like to tell you. Yes, what you thought about me, that is correct. I came here to talk about our family property. Basically, I would like to take my share of family property and I want to sell that. You know something? If you give me my share of property, I will sell it. And after selling, I will give some of the money for you. So that's the only thing I can do a little favor for you. So in that way, Gopi explained his thought with his sister. You will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Okay, now I completely understand your inner feeling. So basically, what I thought exactly correct. So you came for your property, share of property. Okay, definitely you take your share of property and you can sell, but we don't need your money. Go away with the money. So I think when you leave from here today, again I won't expect your arrival back here. So I think you won't come back again. It won't be happened by you. Definitely I know that. So in that way Kamala said, don't say that. I shall come when I get time. Now Gopi is telling, don't talk like that to me, sister. I can definitely come. Whenever I get a time, definitely I will come. So then, your turn? So Kamala smiled herself and she said, your turn? You know something, you used to write letters to us. When you left us here, you used to write. But what happened to you, we don't know. You stopped to write letters to us at a particular time. So, if I ask you, you are just telling you got a promotion. After you got the promotion, you become very busy with your works. That's why you are not getting time to write letters. So, how can I trust? How can I believe you when you sell your share of property? Again, why should you come here to look? So, I don't have any hope on that. So, okay, whatever. You just sell your share of property and you go away with the money. We don't need your money and we won't expect your arrival back to Lucas. So whatever happens, we will take care of ourselves. Don't worry too about us. So in that way Kamala said her feeling. Next, he saw the irritation on his sister's face. So immediately, so Kamala explained all this with the irritating face. So that irritation from Kamala, Gopi observed. So Gopi observed his sister irritation because there is a great everything displaying on her face. So because of that, he observed her irritation face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. You know, you left us 5 years back. Again, you came now. So it took a 5 years time. Amma is 83 now. So our mother age is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. I don't think she won't live more years from onwards. Maybe she will lead a little more life. So because that is our mother condition and situation. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. So if we compare, after you left us here, you came back after 5 years. So after selling your property, if you leave us again, so how many years it takes to come you back to Lucas? So I can't imagine and I can't expect. But Amma can't remember who am I, he said smiling feebly. So with maintaining little smile on his face is talking like this. So mummy is not recognizing me. Are you understanding that? So Gopi said that to his sister. But do you remember your Amma? And okay, fine, you are just complaining on Amma. Okay, it's fine. But do you remember our Amma? So with this line, our story is completed. So after this question, what will happen between them? So we just imagine. So my dear student, it is our lesson, the tattered blanket. So basically what is happening in families right now, in nowadays, so no one care about another member in the family. That is not correct. So we should take care of everyone in the family and we should give respect to the family and family members. So because being one of the member in the family, we should do all this and we should always try to make our family proud and happy. That is our duty. So I hope you can definitely understand what is the importance of family and how should we treat family. So hoping everyone be a great member in the family. Okay, family is everything. Who feels like this about them, they can definitely feel very happy with the families. Okay, my dear students, hoping you enjoyed with the story. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, see you all. Have a nice day, everyone.